Honorable Chancellor, with all humility at my command, I accept honoris causa Doctorate of Philosophy that has been conferred on me by Manav Rachna International Institute of Research and Studies. I acknowledge and accept the honor that has been bestowed on me on this solemn occasion. Chief guest, Padma Vibhushan Krishnaswamy Kasturi Ranganji, guest of honor in absentia, Srimati Smriti Jubin Irani, the chief patron of Manav Rachna Educational Institutions, Srimati Satya Bhallaji, Chancellor Dr. Prashant Bhalla, Vice President Dr. Amit Bhalla, the Director General Dr. N.C. Wadhwa, Trustee Manav Rachna Dr. M.M. Kathuria, Vice Chancellor MRIIRS Dr. Sanjay Srivastavji, Vice Chancellor MRU Dr. I.K. Bhatt, Principal MRDC Dr. Arundeep Singh, Deans, faculties, and dear graduates. I am one amongst you today to receive this honoris causa, and I would pray to the Lord to give me all the humility and subtleness to regard this award of PhD honoris causa as a recognition that cannot be shared with the kings or snatched by the kings. It is not a burden, yet the fact remains that the knowledge is sublime. Let all of us be like the tree where the trunk does not bend to the might of the storm. Nourish and protect the branches which bend due to the fruits that it bears, and or from the vagaries of the heat from the sun. Even when uprooted, is useful for the log, can be carved into furniture or fire for life. I'd just like to explain it in terms of our righteousness and the courage that we should possess in fighting out the evils, resisting ourselves from all the ills of the society and the senses. We are like the tree, the main which does not bend, and the branches as fruits we bear, nourished by the tree, or the sunshine from which we are protected. Even in death, a message, we can donate our organs, our body, for the betterment of humanity. Jai Hind.